Are you working 9 to 5 but have that nagging feeling you're meant for something more? Maybe you want to crush your debt, save for a house, or simply build something that is 100% yours. You want to start a side hustle, but the idea of adding one more thing to your packed schedule feels impossible. I get it. But the secret isn't finding more hours in the day. It's using the hours you already have more intelligently. Today, I'm giving you a realistic, no-fluff guide to building a profitable side hustle without quitting your day job and without burning out. Let's dive in. Find a low-lift, high-impact idea. The right idea is everything. You need something that won't require a huge upfront investment of time or money. Your perfect side hustle sits at the intersection of three things: what you're good at, what you genuinely enjoy, and what people will pay for. Start with your existing skills. What do people ask for your help with? Resume editing. Planning amazing parties? Fixing their computer? Those are all marketable services. Do you love baking, coding, or writing? Those are potential businesses. The key is to find a problem you can solve. Your passion will fuel you after a long day at your main job, but solving a real problem for someone is what will get you paid. Before you commit, do a quick market check. Are other people selling this? That's not a bad thing. It's validation that a market exists. 2. Become a time management ninja. This is where most people give up. You cannot just find time. You have to create it with intention. First, do a time audit for 3 days. Be brutally honest about where your minutes are going. You'll likely find pockets of time lost to social media or indecision. Next, master time blocking. Look at your week and schedule 3 to 4 specific blocks to work only on your side hustle. Maybe it's 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. before work, or a solid 3-hour block on Saturday morning. Put it in your calendar and protect that time like it's a meeting with your CEO. And don't forget the small moments. The 20-minute bus ride is for brainstorming content. Your lunch break is for answering 5 customer emails. These focus sprints add up incredibly fast. Lastly, use technology. Tools like schedulers for social media or simple automation can save you hours each week. 3. Launch lean and get paid. Perfectionism is the enemy of progress. Do not spend 6 months designing the perfect logo or building a flawless website. Your number one goal is to get your first paying customer as quickly as possible. This is called creating a minimum viable product, or MVP. What is the simplest, most stripped-down version of your service you can sell right now? If you're a photographer, offer a discounted portfolio builder mini session. If you want to sell handmade jewelry, make a small batch of 5 designs and post them on Instagram. If you're a freelance writer, create a 1-page PDF of your services and start pitching. Getting that first dollar does 2 critical things. It proves your concept is viable, and it provides a massive psychological win that will keep you motivated. Real feedback from a paying customer is worth more than 100 hours of planning. 4. The marathon mindset. Avoid burnout. Listen to me on this. This is a marathon, not a sprint. The hustle 24/7 mentality is a recipe for disaster. If you burn out, both your day job and your side hustle will suffer. Set firm boundaries. When you are at your 9 to 5, be 100% present and focused there. When your scheduled side hustle time is over, shut the laptop. Your brain needs time to rest and disconnect. It's also important to communicate with your family or partner. Let them know your schedule so they can support you and you can still carve out quality time together. Do not sacrifice sleep. Eat well. Go for a walk. Your health is the engine that powers everything. It's okay to take a week off from your side hustle if you're feeling overwhelmed. Slowing down is infinitely smarter than crashing and quitting. So let's recap the blueprint for success. Find a smart idea that leverages your skills and solves a real problem. Master your time with intentional scheduling and by using small pockets of time. Launch fast with a simple offer to get validated and paid. Avoid burnout by setting boundaries and prioritizing your health. Building something of your own is one of the most empowering journeys you can take. You have the ability to create another income stream and pursue your passion, all without risking the security of your full-time job. You can do this. What side hustle are you thinking of starting? Share your ideas in the comments below. It might just inspire someone else. Thanks for watching, and now it's time to get to work.